our 3 glass door refrigerator. First off, I will show you the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have 74 inches. Depth, 25.5 inches. And the height with caster wheels, we have at least 82.5 inches. Coming in the bottom is your Dixo controller. Open and self-closing doors. And provided will be 4 shelves on each. Coming inside, I'll show you the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have 71 inches in length. Depth from the back wall to the front end. And with the partition, we have 21.5 inches. Measurement for each shelf will be 17.5 inches depth. And 22.25 inches long. And the height for each shelf, and the height for the interior will be 52 inches high. Coming on the side, your switches for your light, one for the top, one for the interior. (110–120) voltage for this refrigerator. Down here are your ETO sanitation and ETO certification listed stamps. For any additional questions, please give us a call and visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com to browse and navigate our products. Thank you.